I just had to get this for y'all to show you. Habari, everybody. Habari za Sabuhi, Habari za Mchana, Habari za Gioni. Brothers and sisters all over the world. I'm driving down the street on the way back and just happened to see a little boy. I think this boy might be 10, 11, 12. And he's riding his horse. And I'm behind him. I'm in the Bajaji, he's on horseback. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I just...
That boy is riding a horse. He is telling me want to ride a horse too. Thank you.
Tell him, babe. Yeah, okay. I just had to let you guys see it. It's a treat for me, a treat for the kids to see. Everybody's just watching. Everybody's watching. We had to slow down because of the traffic. But wow. This is fantastic. Yeah, babe. I am going to get you a lollipop.
From Jumbo, right now.
Jumbo?
Yes, right now.
Okay, alright. Just thought I'd let you guys see it. Don't want to get an accident. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon.